Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Parlor. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Parlor application on your device. And once you do this, you will be greeted with the sign in as well as the sign up screen. Within the sign up section, in order to log in, simply type in your email address and your password. Now, if you created your account using your Twitter or your Google account, you can simply tap on the Twitter and the Google icon as well. After typing in your email address and your password, tap on the sign in button, and this will now begin logging you in to your account on the Parlor app. And you can now start using the application to browse the various features. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on the Parlor application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.